You were booked for surgery.
Yes, I was booked for surgery.
Tell them. Booked for operation.
Yes, I was booked for surgery. The surgery was supposed to take place on Tuesday last week. But before then, there has been a whole lot concerning
of drama.
Yes, of drama. Then when we came here, I wasn't the one that came, it was my husband that came. They immediately Daddy started prophesying and saying, where is your wife? She's at home now, her leg is paining her, she cannot. My husband screamed, yes. When he started this leg, I can't even stand like this.
Oh dear.
Since last week, I've been all over.
All over?
Yes, I can't even check before.
Oh, now you're all over.
The rain of miracle is falling on me today. I got today.